Hi, I'm Nina. I'm a master student of University of Turin. I graduated with a bachelor in natural sciences, and now I'm studying behavior in the master degree. I'm interested in mating behavior, especially as an index of wellness in animal population. And now we are studying here mating behavior of Gryllus bimaculatus population here in Maido. And yes, that's it.
Okay. I'm Yasmin, now Akyürek. I am a PhD student at the University of Turin. My PhD thesis is on the effects of climate change, specifically heat waves, on reproductive behavior over insects in temperate and tropical climates. And I'm interested in sexual selection, behavior, and how climate change is interacting with these evolutionary processes. Our research focuses on finding out the effects of climate change in reproductive behavior in insects. Because as we know, as climate change is becoming a part of our lives, the global average temperatures are rising. But not only the global average temperatures, heat waves are also starting to increase in duration and frequency, not only in temperate climates, but also in tropical climates. So we are curious, how does this affect the fate of the population of insects? Because just because in a population, individuals don't die, doesn't mean they can reproduce healthily and continue their population, persist their populations. So we are looking at the effects of heat waves on the reproductive behavior. And how we are doing this is in Maido. We are in Maido field station. There is a really big population of an insect called Gryllus bimaculatus here. It's the field cricket. And we are collecting them. We are looking at their mating behavior, and then we are giving them a 4-hour heat wave in a temperature that would also normally occur in Maido in summer. And then we are looking at their mating behavior again to see if there is a difference. So this is where we do the exploration and risk-taking essays. We leave the crickets inside these boxes for 10 minutes to leave the tube. And this shows us how willing they are to take risks. And then we leave them to explore the arena for 10 minutes. And then we bring the male and the female here. And here you can see the male is courting the female. This is how the mating ritual starts in this species. The male sings 2 types of songs, one calling song and one courtship song, and the female has to mount on the male for successful copulation.
After our experiments, we are releasing them here in Arando. Go. Hopla. No, the other side. Maybe.